Alright guys, we're going to be installing a white tape on that diffuser in the bottom to give it a nice contrast for the car, of course, and the diffuser sorry is a bit dirty. Haven't cleaned it, traveling upstate and then New York City, of course, that's why. It's the only reason why it's a bit dirty. There's a plane's coming, so let's stop the video. And just making this video in the purpose of like how small things makes a difference. So this is what it looks like right now. And then we're gonna apply that white tape. My nephew's gonna be recording, just chilling right there. He's gonna be recording for me and I'll work on that. And this is how it looks right now, and we'll see how the aftermath will look like. This is how it looks after that's done. So you see, small details makes a big difference. What do you guys think? Comment below. I think it looks a lot nicer. Just kind of gives that black and white contrast now. See the side. Comment below what you guys think. Of course, if you got a red Accord, you put red. Got blue, put blue. Whatever matches. But I think overall it came out really nice. It gives it that pop, like it's got a diffuser on and stuff like that. And especially while driving or cruising, it would look a lot nicer. But yeah, comment below what you guys think. Make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe, hit the bell icon to be notified of upcoming content. And you can also put this one strip in the front as well on your grill. People done that before in 2018, 2022. You know, they all should actually same grill area where they could just that curvy line on the front grill. I'm gonna do that as well on the front grill. But yeah, that's it. Peace out until next time, fam. A short clip of what I was talking about in the front. That's what I did in the front side right there in the top portion. It stands out real nice now. Because the way Honda made their grills, like so much like black going on over there, the aerodynamics is just not there, you know what I mean? So you just have to make it pop on your own. So idea, I guess, put it to work and actually came out really nice. And that's it.